Right now, there is something you're avoiding. You know what it is. And if I asked you to start it right now, you probably wouldn't. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is working against you. In the next minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens, and how to flip the switch so taking action actually feels easier than procrastinating. And here's the deal. If you stay until the end, you'll walk away with a system you can use today. Also, there's one simple technique in this video that takes less than 5 minutes, but it's powerful enough to completely break the procrastination cycle. I'll show it to you in a minute. Let me paint a picture. You sit down to work, you open your laptop, you are ready. This is it. Today is the day. Then suddenly, you check one notification, then another, then you think, let me just watch one quick video. And before you know it, an hour is gone. Now you feel guilty, frustrated, maybe even disappointed in yourself. So what do? You avoid the task even more. That's the loop. And once you're in it, it's hard to break. But here's the truth. That loop is not a lack of discipline. It's a pattern your brain has learned. And patterns can be changed. Let's break this down. Procrastination is not about time. It's about emotion. And every time you avoid a task, it's because your brain is trying to escape discomfort. That discomfort could be fear, uncertainty, overwhelm, or even boredom. Your brain asks, will this feel hard? If the answer is yes, it looks for an exit. And that exit is distraction. Phone, videos, scrolling, anything that gives you a quick relief. And here's the dangerous part. It works. Temporarily, you feel better, which teaches your brain avoiding equals relief. And that's how procrastination becomes automatic. But once you see the pattern, you can interrupt it. So here's a question for you. What are you avoiding right now? Keep that in your mind. We are going to come back to it. Remember earlier I mentioned a simple technique? This is it, the 5-minute rule. Here's what you do. You tell yourself, I only have to do this for 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure, no expectations, just 5 minutes. Now here's why this works. Your brain doesn't resist work. It resists starting. Starting feels heavy, uncertain, uncomfortable, but 5 minutes? That feels safe. Your brain allows it. And once you begin, everything changes. You get into it, you start making progress, and suddenly stopping feels harder than continuing. That's momentum. And momentum is everything. So if you take nothing else from this video, remember this. You don't need to finish. You just need to start. Here's another reason you procrastinate. You don't know exactly what to do. And your brain hates uncertainty. If your task is vague, your brain delays it. So instead of saying, I need to work on my project, say, I will open the document and write one sentence. Clarity removes resistance, because now your brain knows exactly what to do. Try this right now. Take the thing you're avoiding and define the next physical action. Not the whole task, just the next step. Pause this video if you need to. Seriously, write down your next step, then come back. Big tasks create overwhelm. Small steps create action. So break everything down. For example, instead of get in shape, put on workout clothes, do 5 push-ups, go for a 5-minute walk. Now it feels easy. And once you start, you usually keep going. That's the pattern you want to build. Let's talk about environment, because this might be the most underrated factor. If your phone is next to you, if distractions are everywhere, you're making focus harder than it needs to be. So flip it. Make distraction harder. Make focus easier. Move your phone. Close tabs. Clear your desk. Even small changes can dramatically improve your focus. Quick check. Where is your phone right now? Now we go deeper, because this is where real change happens. You don't just have habits, you have an identity. And your identity drives your behavior. If you believe, I am a procrastinator, you will act like one. So change this story. Start saying, I am someone who takes action, and then prove it with small actions. Every time you act, you reinforce that identity. And over time, that identity becomes real. Perfectionism is procrastination in disguise. It tells you, wait until it's perfect. But perfection never comes. So you never start. Instead, adopt this rule. Done is better than perfect. Your first version should be messy. That's how progress works. Remember the thing you thought about earlier? The thing you've been avoiding? Here's what I want you to do. Right after this video ends, set a timer for 5 minutes. Start the smallest step. That's it. No overthinking, no planning, just action. You don't need more motivation, you need a starting point. And now you have one. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. And remember, your future is built by what you do next. So go, do it.